Good morning, children. How are you all? All are fine now? Yeah, I am also very fine. Every day coming here and I am saying classes to you now. So feeling very happy. So you also watch the video carefully and send the answers to the WhatsApp group. Then I will feel so much happy. Okay. So all are doing it. Okay. Who did not do, then you can do it and send to the WhatsApp group. Children, don't waste your time. Okay. So first you write the answers, read that properly and afterwards you can enjoy. Okay. So all should do the homework. Okay. Then what we are discussing? Last 3 days onwards we are discussing the topic about see how I work. See how I work. This is our lesson name now. So in this lesson we are discussing about the internal organs. Correct only now? Yeah, internal organs. So first internal organ what we discussed? About the brain. About the brain we discussed. Yeah. Next, what we discussed about tell me? Yeah, heart. Heart. Next, third one what we discussed about the lungs. Okay, so we discussed about the brain, heart and lungs. Okay, so already I shown brain to you now. So today I will show the heart to you. Okay, so this is the heart. See, what purpose heart is useful? What purpose? Pumping blood purpose now. Already I taught before class now. Yeah, so this is our heart. See that how it is? Good no? Yeah, like this. See children. So the heart, these are the heart vessels, blood vessels. So in this the blood is goes inside and coming outside again goes inside. So like that it is working due to contraction and expansion. Okay. So that time we can hear the sound now. Laughter. Yeah. This is due to the contraction and expansion of the heart. How is the heart is? Very good now. What is the size of your heart? Yeah. How? Come on, fix it. This is the size of your heart. Okay. Next, I explained about the lungs now. Yeah. So how many lungs? See, 2 lungs. Between the 2 lungs, what is this? You know, heart. Heart is here now. So chest, both the sides, 2 lungs are present. And what is this? Heart. Here also our heart is there. Same. See, heart. So what purpose lungs are useful? For breathing. Okay. So when the lungs are increasing size due to expansion. Okay. When we take the inhale. Inhale means taking the air inside. Inhaling. And coming outside. That is called exhale. Okay. Exhale. Inhale. Due to when you are taking the air inside, expands lungs and chest. Very here present now. When the lungs are expanding, automatically our chest size also increasing. When we breathe out, what happened? What happened? So the air goes out. So our chest size is decreasing. So these are the 2 lungs. Where it located? In the chest region. So what are the organs are present in the chest region? Heart and lungs. Why? How? Who is protecting that? Rib cage is protecting. Okay, here bones are present now. That is called rib cage. So rib cage is giving protection to the heart and lungs. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the kidneys. So what is the 4th part? 4th internal organ is, one is brain, second one is heart, third one is lungs and 4th one is kidneys. Kidneys. Okay children? Yeah. I will show the kidneys to you. See? Beautiful now? These are our kidneys. What is the shape of our kidney? Yeah, bean shaped. What is the shape of our kidneys? Like this, bean shaped. Okay. So, like this structure is. So, yeah. is the kidneys. How many kidneys are present? Two bean-shaped kidneys are present. Okay, now we will discuss detailed function, and function means what? Use of the kidneys we will discuss in detail. So this is the structure of kidneys. Now we will see. Yeah, kidneys. There are 2 kidneys in our body. How many kidneys are present? Already I said no. 2 kidneys are present in our body. Next, they remove the liquid waste from our body in the form of urine. We should drink lots of water every day to take care of our kidneys. Okay, so what is the function of the kidneys? Already I taught the function of brain now. It is useful for thinking, learning, memory. Okay, all the parts are under the control of the brain. This is the function of brain. Next, heart, pumping the blood. Okay, next, lungs, breathing purpose. Then, what is the function of the kidney? Kidneys are filtering the liquid waste. Okay, so for example, you are drinking the lot of water now. Okay, so some salts are useful, extra salts are there, and extra harmful materials are present in the liquid form. Okay, so we have to send outside, otherwise we are getting many kinds of diseases. Okay, so we should send that waste outside. Anyway, digested, undigested food we are sending, no, solid food, same like that. So harmful liquid waste are forming in our body. So we have to send outside that liquid waste. That liquid waste is called urine. Okay, urine is the liquid waste. So these kidneys are filtering the blood, and what are the harmful salts, harmful materials are there, no? Those are filtering, and waste materials are sending outside. That is the function of the kidney. So kidney's function is what? Extra means extra salts, waste liquids are sending out with the help of the kidneys. Okay, then how we can take care of the kidneys? Okay, so how we can take care of it? By drinking lots of water. Okay, so drink a lot of water. That is the good for. Already I informed what is the use of water. No, so we have to drink a lot of water. Then only our food will be digested. Our temperature is regulated. Okay, balanced temperature is regulating, and digestion purpose it is useful. For the proper functioning of kidneys purpose also, water is useful. So how we can take care of our kidneys? Means we have to drink a lot of water every day. How many glasses? Nearly 7 to 8 glasses of water drink every day. Okay, then automatically we can take care of our kidneys. Okay, so that is about the kidneys. Next, we will learn about the last internal organ. What is that now? Stomach. So we are going to discuss about the last internal part of this lesson. So what is that? So we discussed before 3 now. Next we discuss about the kidneys also. Where kidneys are located? Yeah, backside. Backbone is there now. Both the sides kidneys are present. Okay. So if any back pain is coming now, so we must take care of that. If it is heavy, if it is severe, you can consult a doctor. Better too. Okay. So that is about the kidneys. Next, we will discuss about the 5th internal organ, nothing but stomach. Okay, so we will discuss about the stomach. Where the stomach is present? Okay, in the abdomen. Already I said na. So this is the upper part, this is the lower part, and this is the middle part. Middle part is called trunk. T-R-U-N-K. Middle part is called a trunk. Okay, I said about the tree trunk na. Yeah, upside branches are there. Middle part what we call in the tree? What we call in the tree? Okay, this part only no. These are the branches, and inside what is present? Roots are present, and what is called? Trunk. So middle part of our body is called a trunk. Same like a tree. Okay, so this part is called the trunk. So this upper region of the trunk is called what is this? Chest, and below region is called stomach. Okay, so in the chest what are present? Heart and lungs. Okay, in the this is abdomen. Abdomen inside is stomach. Okay, stomach. Okay, so we will discuss about the stomach now. Listen. The food that we eat goes into our stomach. The stomach breaks down the food that we eat. It also helps us to digest our food. Listen. So, we are taking the food now daily. Yeah, morning breakfast, afternoon lunch, night dinner. So, we are taking it. So, what are you are taking now? Those are the huge amount. Okay, means those are high quantity of nutrients. Okay, so we have to make into the smaller pieces. Then who will do it? Our stomach will do. Okay, so we are eating the food. The starting process where you put the food in the mouth. We can keep our food first in the stomach, in the mouth now. So directly the food not reaches the stomach. It have many parts are there. Okay, so with the help of the food pipe. With the help of the food pipe, the food enter into the stomach. Okay, so directly we cannot keep into the stomach. So how? With the help of mouth, we will chew the food. Okay, chewing is helpful for the proper digestion. Don't swallow the food. We can chew the food with the help of our teeth. Okay, so chew the food well and then swallow it. Then the food enter into the food pipe and finally it goes to the stomach. Okay, so the food we eat goes into the stomach. The stomach breaks down the food that we eat. It also helps us to digest our food. So always stomach, it is churning. Okay, it is contracting and expanding. So like that, churning the food. Okay, how the mixer will do? So same like that, what the food is present in the stomach, it will be churned. Okay, so when the mother is preparing the means ghee, what she will do? Like this she will do, So same like that, our stomach also doing like that. So that food, what is present in the stomach, many juices, digestive juices are present. So those are mixing, then only the food will be digested. Okay, so it means stomach is useful for the digestion of the food. What purpose stomach is useful? Stomach useful for digestion of food. Then only we will get energy. So what are the food we are taking? It is not giving directly energy to us. When it is digested, automatically we will get energy. The digested food goes to the blood vessels, mixing in the blood, then we will get energy. Okay, so lengthy process. Here the small children know. So when you are going to the higher section, you are studying about the digestion of the food. Now you only remember what purpose stomach is useful. Stomach is useful for the digestion of the food. That you remember. Okay, where the stomach is present? Below the chest. Below the chest. Okay, next, how we can take care of our stomach? Listen now. So, taking care of the stomach. First point is, we should avoid eating junk food items. All are liking, no? We want chocolates, we want pizza, we want burger, we want oily foods. Okay, so what is outside selling, no? We are attracted with that food because the color is good, no? But children, it is not good to your health. It containing germs, no? They are using the oil products from there when we see, no? So repeatedly they are heating that oil and selling. Okay, that is not good for health. So avoid of junk foods. Okay, next thing is, we should eat more fruits and vegetables. Okay, so when we eat the fruit and vegetables, these are means protective foods. When we take the fruits and vegetables, no. So we are healthy and fit. Okay, then these vegetables, when we take the fruits, no, that is useful for proper digestion. Fibers in vegetables. fiber content is present. So that is why it is useful for proper digestion. So how we can take care of our stomach? By following only two methods. So what is that? Avoiding the junk foods. Second point is we should eat more fruits and vegetables. Okay, it is helpful for proper digestion because it contains fiber. F-I-B-R-E, fiber is present. So that fiber is useful for proper digestion. If your digestion means if you are in digestion, now what happened? Stomach paining now. Sometimes stomach paining. Stomach is paining due to two reasons ma. One is eating full, one is with empty stomach. Okay, so better to medium. Okay, what is sufficient to your stomach, that much food you take. Don't give more trouble to your stomach. Don't means become like a dustbin. What is there? What are the waste are there? We are throwing in the dustbin? No. So we also don't throw. Okay. So what is sufficient to you, then only you eat. Don't eat too much. Okay. Don't eat some. Don't eat some. Don't eat too much. Okay. So that is the good care of our stomach. Avoid of junk foods. Second one is, what is second one? Eating more fruits and vegetables. So that is the topic we discuss about the kidneys and the stomach. Now I give some questions to you. So what are that? Write it properly with neat handwriting. See now. Yeah. First question is, there are dash kidneys. Dash kidneys. Dash kidneys in our body. In our body. Children, very easy one, no? How many kidneys you know? No? Already I explained. Very good, write properly. Second one is the food. The food that we eat. That we eat goes into our. The food that we eat, where it go, children? Easy answer, no? Very good. Next, stomach. Stomach helps us. Stomach helps us to dash our food. What is the use of stomach? Already I told, no? Then write down. Next, fourth one. We should avoid eating dash food items. Dash food items. What that food items? Write down. Next, the waste liquid. The waste liquid. The waste liquid that we pass. From our body. From our body. Okay. So, what that liquid waste? What is called? Already I told, no? Then write it in this plan. So, once again, listen carefully. There are dash kidneys in our body. How many kidneys you should write? The food that we eat goes into our. Which part it goes? Write down. Stomach helps us to dash our food. What purpose stomach is useful? Write down. we should avoid eating dash food items. Which food items? The waste liquid. The waste liquid, what that called? That we pass from our body. What is that waste liquid is called? Write down here. So that is about today's topic, kidneys and stomach. Okay. So write the answers properly. Send to the WhatsApp group. Thank you, children.